Today, we're going to learn how to add light rays to a scene, creating a dramatic and cinematic effect. Let's get started. In this clip, we want to add light rays that appear to come from the backside of the lady in the scene. To do this, go to the effects panel, navigate to OpenFX and search for light rays. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Now, with the clip selected, head to the inspector panel. Here, you'll find several controls to fine-tune the effect. Start by adjusting the ray direction to position the light source correctly. You can also modify the X and Y position to precisely place the origin of the rays. To enhance the effect, tweak the length slider to control how far the light rays extend. The soften option helps to create a more natural look by reducing harsh edges. Next, adjust the brightness to determine the intensity of the rays. If needed, you can change the color of the rays to match the mood of your scene. Finally, use the global blend slider to control the overall strength of the effect, blending it seamlessly with your footage. Experiment with these settings based on your footage to achieve the best results. And that's it. You've successfully added realistic light rays to your video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more editing tips.